This is a My Jeep update. Testing a new mic, hoping for better audio for my future videos. Okay, this is a test video using my new Boya mic. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. Again, this is a test. New microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Test. And the reason for this new mic, I've noticed in some past videos that the audio quality was not very good. And I do realize that in a lot of my videos I had the music set too loud. But it also seemed like the quality of the audio wasn't very good. Thanks for checking us out. We'll see you on the next My Jeep update.